OnePlus 9RT. So this is the mobile which is trending right now, and this mobile comes with a great features. First of all, it comes with a 6.62 inches of 120Hz refresh rate, full HD plus resolution, super AMOLED display, and it is also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And for the processor, it mobile comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which is a 5nm based 5G octa-core gaming processor. When we talk about the 5G, it comes with a 8 bands of 5G. Yes, this is a confirmed thing. And when we talk about the features like the variants, this mobile, and when we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a triple camera setup at the back side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle and a 16 megapixels of ultra wide and 5 megapixels of macro. That 16 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera also be used for the taking of macro shots, and for the front it comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, the regular camera. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256, and also 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants with no external memory. These are Snapdragon 888 processor with LPDDR5 RAMs and UFS 3.1 storage capacity, so killer capacity for a gamer. And for the battery, it comes with a typical 4500 mAh of battery, and it supports 65 watts of fast charge. And when we talk about the features, like this mobile comes with the display fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1 features, and also this mobile runs on Android version 11 out of the box with Oxygen OS 11 or 12 at the time of release. And this mobile also comes with a glass back, glass front and metal frame, so complete great build quality also. And this mobile does not have any 3.5mm jack, but this mobile is going to have a stereo speaker setup. Yes. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in black, blue and yellow colors. Yes. And this mobile price will start from 40,000 and it can go up all the way up to 44,000 rupees, 918, almost 45,000 rupees. So this mobile might release in the next month end or the December starting. So yeah, wait until the mobile releases and watch my other videos also. Those are also great. Those are also good. But yeah, support me friends, support my channel and subscribe my channel.